Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Twilio SendGrid with AI-generated campaign copy automation. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Twilio SendGrid account. If you don't have an account, create one by following the sign-up process. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Click on the Marketing Campaigns option on the left sidebar. Next, select Create Campaign to start a new marketing effort. Fill in the required details for your campaign, such as the campaign name and subject line. Now, it's time to generate your campaign copy using AI. Open your preferred AI writing tool, such as OpenAI or any other available platform. Input relevant prompts that align with your campaign goals to generate the copy. Review the generated text and make necessary adjustments to ensure it fits your brand voice. Once satisfied, copy the final version of your campaign copy. Go back to the Twilio SendGrid dashboard. In the campaign setup, locate the section for content. Paste your AI-generated text into the designated area. Next, select your recipient list from the options provided. If you haven't created a list yet, head to the Contacts section to upload and manage your recipients. After selecting your contacts, review your campaign settings thoroughly. You can choose to schedule the send time or send it immediately. Once everything looks good, click on the Send Test option to verify the email. Check your inbox for the test email to ensure the formatting and content is correct. Once verified, return to the campaign settings. Finally, click Schedule or Send to launch your marketing campaign. Your Twilio SendGrid campaign is now set up and automated with AI-generated copy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.